In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Minitab 19 to create a histogram. We're going to do this homework problem as an example. So as you can see, I've already completed the first part of the problem, which is to construct a frequency distribution. And in the last video, if you watched it, you saw how to make the table in Minitab. If not, I recommend you go back to that video and watch it first because it makes doing this part a lot easier. So since I've already done the frequency distribution in Minitab, I already have my data in there. But as a reminder, to get the data into Minitab, you click on this icon next to the table that has the blue boxes, click on Copy to Clipboard, and then hit Control-C or copy on your browser, and then go to Minitab, and you will go to row 1 because there's no header here, and paste the data. So my data is already in here, and here you can see my table. So to create a histogram, what I'm going to do is go to Graph, and we're going to be creating a few of these different types of graphs. So under Stat, Table, that's where we got the table, tally individual variables. Now we're going to Graph and going to Histogram. We're just going to do a simple histogram here. There are lots of options if you have more complicated data, but we just want a simple histogram. And then we need to select, mine is already in there because I already did the table, but if it's not, you need to click on the column that you want to make a histogram of that data, and then you click select to put it in the Y variable box. Then you click OK. And here is my histogram. I can move this down so I can see it a little bit better. If you're doing a data analysis assignment or you somehow want to copy this, you can click on it to select it and then hit copy as picture and then paste it into your Word document. In this case, for this homework problem, it's actually a multiple choice problem. MyLab doesn't have the ability to have you make histograms, but I'm just going to choose the histogram that looks like it matches the one that I made. So I can see it's going to match, it looks like histogram D. So I would select that, check answer, and I was correct. So that's how you make a histogram in Minitab.